the neon orange. No, hold on, mango. This number 4. And using the bristle belly of your bristle and blend it down. So the purpose I'm doing it 2 beads to get it 1 bead's perfect with the ombre first, and then the second beads will go in and perfect the cuticle area, so then you don't have to worry about your cuticles area and then your ombre at the same time. Okay. And then you can always go back and pick smaller bead, touch up. You really like perfectionist, you want to blend your ombre to be perfect. And then after that, we're going to cap it with crystal clear. I'll do it right above, right between right here with the base nude and mango. Till the nail down and just feather touch. And guide your powder to the center to build instead of not like a bulky on the side. All right, so let this set.